To adjust app screen grid on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to display more apps, long tap on an empty area on the home screen, and then tap Setting, tap App Screen Grid. By default, your phone uses 4 columns, which means on a single app screen, you can display 4 columns of apps icon. So if you like to be able to show more apps on a single app screen, set the app screen grid to a bigger value. Here, there's another option, 5 columns. Select this grid, and then tap the button to save that selection and apply it to your phone. As you can see, now the app icon on your app screen becomes smaller. It's because your app screen is now using a bigger grid, in this case 5 columns, which means you can display 5 columns of app icon. Okay, thank you for watching. Please have to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.